Okay. With us now, Filip Mihaljević from Croatia, winners of the men's shot put. Filip, how did this competition go for you, and how does it compare with an individual event and now here competing for the points for your team?
It's always special to put the national team jersey on. I mean, obviously we're in the middle of a season. We're still training kind of hard. We're making a transition into a peak season. So this competition was pretty good to imitate the World Championships that are coming up in August. But always competing for the team, getting the big points for the team is always special. You know, always carrying a little more pressure, but also a little more satisfaction if you do well. So I'm pretty happy with today. It was a good performance. The weather was good. The competition was pretty good. I'm happy with the 21:33. I can't complain.
What do you think that Team Serbia in general could have done differently?
Team Serbia? I have no clue.
Team Croatia, sorry.
Okay. Croatia, I think we're doing quite well. You know, it's a very young team. Our 4x1 team yesterday was all U20 or U18. So we're a young team, but I think we're doing well. I think we were sixth today. I'm not sure if we moved up or down, but you know, it's a good performance considering how many young athletes we have.
That seems to be like across different teams and different athletes I spoke here today. There's a mix of experience and young athletes. What you, as an experience and as a European champion, what was your message for the younger ones?
You know, it's weird because most of the team I've never met before. And they see me as, you know, this guy they see on television or something. And, you know, we got to chat a little bit, and they got to know that everybody else is as normal as they are. We're just very good at what we do. So my message was just go out there, have fun. They had no pressure. As for us, it was a little more pressure for us to carry the team, but for them there was no pressure, and all of them did mostly well, some PB, some season best. So my message for them was just enjoy, because this is as big a stage as they might ever compete in. And this is a Diamond League stadium. This is probably a European athletics stadium. So I told them just go out there, have fun, because this is probably one of the best facilities in Europe we have. So that was my message to them.
Great. You mentioned Budapest as an European champion. What are your expectations, and what would you like to remember from that championships? What would you like to tell yourself when you're there?
We want to ruin the American/New Zealand party, you know, and they've been so dominant over the years, and they've been so good. They've been paving the way for us as well to go bigger. But you know, you want to get in the mix for the medals. You know, that's the goal. I finished sixth last year. I was really happy with my performance, but you know, this time I want to make a step further and place in top 5, hopefully top 3.
Okay, just one last question. What would you say are the best qualities of the Croatian people?
Of the Croatian people, we're one of the tallest nations, including girls and guys. So as you can see, you know, we're very, very good hosts. And we've proven that over so many years with the meetings and in my private life as well. You know, if you come to me, I'll take good care of you. You'll have good drinks, you'll have good food, you'll have good accommodation, you'll have all the best.
Thank you very much, and that's a promise. Thank you. Thanks very much. See you later.